Sonny woke up with a big smile. "Today is my first day back at school!" he shouted, feeling a tickle of excitement. He jumped out of bed and quickly got dressed. Bright shoes, a colourful shirt, and his favourite shorts made him feel happy. Next, Sonny packed his backpack with crayons, a notebook, and a shiny red apple. "I can't wait to see my friends!" he giggled as he hopped on the school bus. The bus ride was full of laughter and cheer. When Sonny arrived at school, he saw his teacher, Ms. Joy. "Welcome back, Sonny," she said with a warm smile. Sonny felt his nerves melt away. In class, he met new friends. They played at recess, swinging and laughing together. Then, everyone gathered for circle time. Sonny shared his favorite toy, and everyone clapped. They created art, colored, and sang songs. Lunch was yummy, and reading story time was magical. As the day ended, Sonny couldn't wait for tomorrow, already dreaming of more fun at school.